One day you're working, the next day, fired. But while others panic, thousands are secretly using AI to replace their income, some earning over $10,000 a month. No degree, no prior skills. Let me show you how. You see headlines about AI taking jobs, and it feels like the world is ending. But what if I told you that same AI is the biggest opportunity of our lifetime? This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real step-by-step blueprint. Today, I'll show you how regular people are building entire businesses from scratch using simple AI tools. We're talking about using AI to write, create art, make videos, and build income streams faster than ever before. I'll break down 3 main paths you can start on today, plus a bonus model that could make you thousands from a single client. Your new career starts right now. Let's get into it. The job market is brutal. Every day, another headline. Tech giant lays off thousands. You could be the top performer, but none of it matters. One morning, your keycard doesn't work. It's a terrifying feeling, and it's happening to millions. Companies are turning to AI, which can do the work of dozens for a fraction of the cost. AI isn't just replacing factory jobs, it's coming for creative roles, marketing, customer service, even management. The ground is shifting, and the old rules of job security are gone. But here's the secret. The same AI that's causing chaos is also the greatest opportunity we've ever had. This powerful tool is available to you, right now, on your laptop or phone. The very thing that took your job can become your new employee, your business partner, your key to financial freedom. While others panic, we're going to flip the script and leverage AI. This is your chance to build something future-proof, something you control. For decades, success meant degrees, connections, and gatekeepers. AI smashes those barriers. It doesn't care about your background or resume. AI is the ultimate equalizer, giving everyone access to world-class skills instantly. You don't need years of experience. Ask AI for a marketing strategy or a sales email, and you have it in seconds. While millions are stuck in the old way, early adopters are quietly building their own economies. They're launching businesses, creating products, and offering services that once required teams and big budgets. The power is now in your hands, the creative, adaptable individual. The person with a laptop and ChatGPT has the same power as a team in a skyscraper. The gap is widening. Those who adapt are building assets and securing their future. So how do you actually make money with AI? There are 3 proven paths you can start today. First, service-based AI. Use AI to perform high-value services for businesses, like writing blog posts or emails, and get paid. Second, product-based AI. Create digital or physical products using AI, like art for t-shirts or mugs, and sell them online. Third, content-based AI. Build a brand and audience. Think Faceless YouTube channels powered by AI scripts, voiceovers, and editing. Each path has unique advantages. You don't need to do all 3, just pick the one that excites you. Whether you want fast cash, passive income, or to build a long-term media asset, there's an AI path for you. The key is to choose one lane and go all in. Next, let's break down the first one, becoming a service provider. This is the fastest way to start making money, possibly even this week. Here's how it works. Every business needs content, blog posts, emails, ads, website copy. Traditionally, this meant hiring expensive copywriters. Now you can do it better, faster, and cheaper with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to generate drafts in seconds. Your job? Edit, add a human touch, and align with the client's goals. Find clients on Upwork or Fiverr. Businesses don't care if you use AI. They just want results. Build a portfolio with AI-generated samples, apply for jobs, and start earning. Undercut the competition at first, then raise your rates as you get reviews. 5 clients a month at $200 each? That's $1,000 for about 10 hours of work. The value you provide is the human layer, refining, personalizing, and perfecting the AI's output. You're not just selling text, you're selling a complete professional writing service at superhuman speed. Want passive income? Use AI to create and sell print-on-demand products. Tools like Midjourney generate unique art from simple prompts, no art skills needed. Use Canva to prep your designs, then upload to Printify and connect to an Etsy shop. When someone buys, Printify prints and ships the product automatically. You never touch inventory or handle shipping. Your job is to come up with new design ideas and let the AI and automation do the rest. The whole process, from idea to finished product, can take less than 10 minutes. Each sale is profit in your account and your store runs 24/7. This is how you build assets that make money while you sleep. The only limit is your creativity. Want to build a media asset? Start a Faceless YouTube channel powered by AI. Pick a popular niche: history, psychology, luxury, meditation. Use ChatGPT for video ideas and scripts. Generate voiceovers with 11 Labs. No need to record your own voice. Use Pictory AI to match your script with stock footage and edit the video automatically. Create thumbnails with Canva and optimize titles with ChatGPT. Upload consistently, 1 or 2 videos a week. The YouTube algorithm rewards consistency, and your channel grows. Once you hit monetization, ads start paying you every month. This is a machine, and AI is the fuel. You can build an audience and income without ever showing your face. The opportunity is massive, and it's just getting started. Here's a bonus path: AI coaching and consulting. Small business owners are overwhelmed by AI. They need a guide. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead. Offer a 2-hour AI for small business workshop, teaching practical tools like ChatGPT for marketing and customer service. Use ChatGPT to create your entire workshop curriculum and slides. Charge $500 to $2,000 per workshop. Businesses see it as an investment. Land 1 client a week and you're making serious income. Find clients by reaching out locally or on LinkedIn. You become the AI expert they trust. Starting a business used to mean huge risk: quitting your job, draining savings, taking on debt. With AI-powered models, the risk is almost zero. Service-based, your only cost is an AI subscription. Work from your couch, no employees, no office. Product-based, no inventory, no upfront costs. Create designs for free, only pay a tiny listing fee. Content-based, start a YouTube channel for next to nothing. AI tools are cheap or free. Your biggest investment is time, but AI accelerates everything. You can test, pivot, and learn without losing money. Low risk means you're free to experiment and take action. AI has democratized not just the tools, but the ability to try. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. This window of opportunity won't last forever. Right now, most people are still on the sidelines, scared, skeptical, or unaware. Early adopters have a massive head start, just like the first website or YouTube creators. AI-powered creators are still rare on Upwork, Etsy, and YouTube. Soon, everyone will be doing this. The competition will explode. The people who win big are the ones who start now, while it's still early. Every day you wait, thousands more are joining in. The biggest risk is doing nothing and missing the wave. The timing will never be better than today. This isn't just theory. Real people are changing their lives with these methods. Julie, laid off from marketing, started an AI art Etsy store. First month, $300. 6 months later, $4,000 for the month, nearly passive. Alan, a bored accountant, used AI to create faceless YouTube videos. After months of slow growth, one video went viral. Now he earns $5,000 for the month and quit his job. Shannon, a recent grad, used AI for copywriting on Upwork. She started with low-paying job, built reviews, and now earns $6,000 per month as a freelance AI copywriter. These aren't geniuses. They're regular people who took action. They picked one path, stayed consistent, and changed their lives. The opportunity is real, and it's available to you. The only difference is they started. You can do the same. The tools are here, the proof is here. The only thing missing is your action. So, what's stopping you? It's your turn. We've covered the layoff epidemic, the power of AI, and the 3 core models. Now don't get overwhelmed or try to do everything at once. Pick one lane, just one. Which model excites you most? Service, product, or content? Start building your profile, store, or video ideas tonight. Don't worry about perfection, just start. Focus and consistency are the real secrets. The momentum you build now is the foundation for your new life. There are 2 types of people: those who watch and do nothing, and the action takers. The action taker opens a new tab, signs up for ChatGPT, brainstorms ideas, and gets started, right now. You don't need the perfect plan. Just take the first step. Register an account, write a prompt, design a t-shirt, or draft a video idea. Every small action builds momentum and confidence. The gap between where you are and where you want to be is bridged by consistent action. Each article, design, or video is a brick in your new foundation. The future belongs to creators, adapters, and action takers. The choice is yours. It's time to become one of them. Getting fired may have closed one door, but AI just opened 100 more. You have the blueprint, the tools, and the proof. The old way is over. The new way is building your own economy. The power is in your hands. Tell me in the comments, which AI path are you starting with? Service, product, or content? Declare it publicly and make it real. The best time to start is right now.